Okay, so in order to get started with groups, you're in your Canvas course and you'll head over to People. And in People, you're going to see some tabs across the top. And to start a new group set, click on Group Set. And here you can start a new group, maybe based on the project that they'll be working on. So I'll just say Research Project. And you can automatically split students into groups. And then you can say how many students per group. Okay, or split them into a certain number of groups. So you just got to decide what you want to do there. And you can have them be part of the same section if that applies to you. Okay. And then you can automatically assign group leader or set the first student to join as the group leader or set a random person to be the group leader. Okay. So save. And so my groups are being created right now. And so here you see the 5 groups and the students were sent into the group randomly. Okay, so you see there, and then you see the group leader over here in the middle. Okay. All right, now if I want to send the group a collaboration, I would click on the 3 dots and say visit their homepage. And in their homepage, they get all of these tools on the left-hand side. Home, they can post announcements to their group, just to their group. They can create some pages for their group. They can see who's in their group. They can start a discussion to collaborate within the group. Post files to the group. And this is not turned on for students, the conferences. Maybe one day in the future it will be, but for now it is not. But the cool thing is that you as the teacher can come into their collaboration area. Now they can create a collaboration, but you can as well. And so you can create a collaboration for that group. And here are all the members of the group, okay? And so if you just click on their names, they'll go over. This just means you want all of them to collaborate on either the document, the spreadsheet, or the presentation you want them to work on. So I'm going to click presentation, and I have a presentation here called Choice Board Activities. And students will pick an activity and work within the slides to complete. Each student in the group will work on their own side. Okay, so I could give better instructions, but for now, this is what we're doing, and I just want to get to the part where I show you how the teacher can send them a template. So I'm going to click on the slides that have now been made for the students. They are blank. Okay, so it's just a collaboration space. It's a space for the students to work, to start working on some Google Slides together. But I have a template that I want them to work on. So how can I give them that template? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the template that I have. I'm going to copy the slides, copy, and go back to this one. This is the one that's in that collaboration area for the students, and paste. Okay. All right. Now, if I wanted to, I could type some student instructions here for them as well. But since I put it on that other part, I'll go ahead and just delete this slide. So now they have slides here. And if there are more than 4 students, there are 4 slides here. And really it depended on the activity they wanted to do. So they get to pick the activity so they can duplicate slides. okay, and work on the type of activity they want to work on, because it is a choice board. As long as each student works on their own, they can work as a team together to complete them, but the expectation is still one person per slide. So anyway, that is how to add the template into the collaboration space for the students to work on as a group. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.